In question number 1, in adding fractions, we have to see the question first. Tino the horse eats 4/5 of a bale of hay on Monday. He eats 2/5 of a bale of hay on Tuesday. What fraction does Tino eat altogether? Altogether means we have to plus the two fractions. Which fractions? Tino the horse eats 4/5 of the bale of hay on Monday and 2/5 of the bale of hay on Tuesday. So let's write it in the place. 4 out of 5 and 2 out of 5. So we have to, if you remember, when we add the fractions with the same denominators, we never add the denominators. We only add the numerators, add these two numbers only. We have to add 4 and 2, which is equal to 6, and the denominator will never be added when we add fractions. That will be 5 as it is. Now, what does this mean, 6 out of 5? Let's draw a bar with 5 equal parts. The parts should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, let's say. And now I have to shade 6 parts out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I shade 6? No. It means I have to draw another bar with 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's shade 6. 5 I have already shaded and one more. Now I shaded 6 parts out of 5 equal parts. So actually I shaded the one full bar. One full bar is shaded, and what's the remaining? One part is shaded out of remaining 5. This is called I shaded one full bar and 1 out of 5. So actually Tino is eating one full bale of hay and 1/5 all together. So Tino eats one whole and 1 out of 5th bales of hay. This is equals to 6 out of 5. One whole means 5 out of 5, and 1 out of 5 means another one from 5, that is altogether 6. 1 is equals to 5 parts out of 5 and plus 1 part out of 5, altogether 6 out of 5. In question 2, it says Alexis runs 7-9 kilometer. She has a rest and then she runs a further 5/9 of kilometer. How far does Alexis run in total? In total means you're adding the fractions. So first we write the first fraction, which is 7/9, and the second fraction is 5/9. The rule of adding fraction is only add the numerators, never add the denominators. 7 plus 5 is 12 out of 9. What does this mean, 12 parts out of 9 parts? How is this possible? Let's draw a bar of 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I draw a bar with 9 parts. So I have to shade 12 parts. Let's shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Can I shade 12 parts? No. So I have to make another bar with 9 parts. The parts must be 9 because what is the denominator? That is the total part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have to shade 12 parts in total. How much I shaded already? 9. So 10, 11, and 12. So now I shaded 12 parts out of 9 parts. So actually I have shaded one whole, because this is one whole bar. I can write it as one whole bar, and 3 out of 9. So actually here I have to write the total, which is 12 out of 9. But if I want to write in mixed number, I can say 1 whole and the remaining 3 out of 9. This one is actually, here the one is actually equal to 9 over 9. So 9 part, this one means 9 parts, and plus 3, 12 parts. Hope you understand. In this question, we have to work out the following calculations, give your answers as improper fractions. Okay, so here you have to use the same method which you used in question number 1 and 2. The first fraction is 3 over 4 and the second fraction is 3 over 4. When two fractions are adding, we never add the denominators, only add the numerators. I just do this question down. 3 plus 3, that is equals to 6 over 4. Never write 6 over 8. Okay. Question B. 2 over 5 plus 4 over 5, that is equal to, only add the numerators, that is equals to 6 over 5. Question C. 5 over 12 plus 11 over 12 is equal to 16 over 12. The denominator will be same, only the numerator will add up. Okay, now in part D we have 3 fractions. It doesn't make any difference how many fractions you're adding. Don't add the denominators, that would be same, 10. The total parts in all of the fractions are 10. Sorry, let me write it properly. It's 10. And the numerators will be 9 plus 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 over 10. Okay, now part E, as the previous, the denominator will be same, numerator will be add up, that will be 9 over 5. 8/9. Now question F says 8/9 means 8 out of 9 plus 5/9 means 5 out of 9. So the denominator is 9, but the numerators will be add up. 8 plus 5 is 13. Hope you understand. In question 4, it says match the calculation to the correct answer. 6 plus 3, that is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9 over 7. 9 over 7. Now, we don't find any 9 over 7, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction. What is 9 over 7? Just make here a bar with 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And shade 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you shade 9? No. So you have to draw another bar with 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now let's shade. You shaded already 7 up. So 7, 8, and 9. It means we have shaded one full bar, and the 2 out of remaining 7 is there. So one whole. Here the 1 is equal to 7 parts out of 7. So here you will match with this. Let's see the next question. The numerators are 5, 1, and 6. That will be equals to 12 out of 7. 3 plus 4 is 7 out of 7. 7 out of 7 equals what? The same numerator, same denominator, that will be equals to 1. 6 plus 5, obviously it's 11 over 7. Hope you understand. In this question, Fred works out this calculation. What mistake has Fred done? You have to see 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8 equals 10 over 16. What mistake Fred is making here? What is the rule of adding fraction? We only add the numerator. 3 plus 7 is 10, correct? But he added the denominator as well, which is against the rule. So what's the mistake he has done? He has added the numbers in denominator, which he should not do. But what would be the correct answer? The correct answer would be adding the numerators, but not adding the denominators. 10 over 8. Now, in challenge question, find the missing numbers by completing the calculation. 4/5 plus what equals 7/5? You see the denominators are same. 7. How 4 becomes 7? 4 plus what equals 7? Or you can do 7 minus 4 equals 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now 4 in question number B, in question B, 11 over 13 plus something over 13 equals 17 over 13. Denominators will be same in fraction addition. Numerator will add up. 11 plus what will make 17? 11 plus 6 will make 17. Okay, in the C part, 15 over 8 is the answer. This is the answer of 3 over 8 plus something over 8. Plus something over 8. Now you have to make here two more fractions which make altogether 15 by adding up with 3 over 8. So I can write here, let's say 10 over 8. 10 over 8 plus 3 over 8 is 13 over 8, and the remaining is 2 over 8. You can do any other adjustment. Okay. Now let's go to question. Okay, these are the only questions here. Okay, if we go to the next part of question A, 4 over 5 plus something over 5, that is equals to 1 whole. 1 whole means 5 over 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 over 5. They have just written it as mixed number. So this is 4 plus 3, that is 7 over 5. 7 over 5 is in the mixed number will be 1 whole and 2 over 5. And in other words, we can say 4 over 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5 will be 8 over 5, that is equals to 1 whole and 3 over 5. Actually, in question A, this is the first part, this is the same thing, but here they have increased. It's not 1 whole, 3 over 5 means another part is added. So instead of 3 here, you have to write here 4. Let's see part B. 11 over 13 plus 6 over 13 equals 17 over 13. So what if I change it? 7 over 8 plus what over 8 will be 1 whole and 3 over 8. 1 whole means 8 plus 3. 1 whole means 8 over 8. This 1 whole here means 8 over 8 plus 3, 11 over 8. How you can make 11? With 7, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 4. 7 over 8 plus 4 over 8 will be 11 over 8. That is equals to 1 whole and 3 over 8. How it's 1 equals to 1 whole and 3 over 8? 1 whole means, what is the denominator? 8. It means 1 is 8 over 8. 8 parts plus 3 parts, it's 11 parts out of 8. Okay, so what will be here? 1. 1 means 1 here is equals to, what is the denominator? That would be over numerator over denominator, 6 over 6. So we have to make the numerator 6. 1 plus what will be 6? 1 plus 5 will be 6. 5 over 6 plus 1 over 6, that will be equals to 6 over 6, that is 1. In this question, 15 over 8, this is the answer of 4 over 8 plus what over 4 plus what will be 15? 4 plus 11 will be 15. But I don't have to write here 11 because I have another fraction here. So I can write here 5 over 8 and 6 over 8. 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 4 over 8, all together it's 15 over 8. 6 and 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. By any set of numbers, you have to make here 15 in the numerator. In the last question, it says 15 over 8, but the sets of the fractions are different. Here is 6 over 8. Now I can make here 6 over 8, which is now together 12 over 8, and I can write 3 more here, 3 over 8. You can change the numbers as well. You can make here 7 and here 4. You can make here 5 and the other number will be changed accordingly. So you just see how you can make the answer. All of these, by adding all of these fractions, the answer should be 15 by 8. Now in the last question, let's say it's 15 by 8. So they are just changing this numbers with different three numbers 1, 2, 3. By adding these three different fractions, our answer should be 15. So 5 is here. I can make here 5, here 5 and 5, so altogether 15. If I can make like here, I can make here 7, which is 7 plus 5 is 12, and I can make here 3. I can make even different with like I can make here 4. 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 plus 6 is 15. So I can make any of these arrangement with the numbers to make the answer 15 by 8. That's the end. Thank you.